Hey, it's Trevor. Today we're going to show you how to install our new wood bed panel system. Here are our new panels, a little bit different than the old ones, a little bit more lightweight, just as durable. So we've already got one side of it installed with the rail and all. If you look over here on the other side, you'll see we have our bed metal installed behind the wall panel that holds in the trim ring. So when we go to the other side and show you the bolts, we have 4 bolts under here. Those bolts go through the wall panel, through the bed metal, and through the van wall. A couple of important measurements for this bed. The thickness of the panel is 1.5 inches. We've got an 1.5 inch bed panel here, and we want to make sure that the bed panel, once it's installed, sits flush with the bottom edge of the trim ring. So think of the trim ring as an extension of your bed panel. Your bed panel is 30 inches wide, meaning 2 of them together will give you 60 inches across to make a queen size bed. So to get that measurement of how far up to install your bed rail, you want to start just behind this weather stripping. You know that our bed panels are notched, so the bed forms to this particular shape of the back of the van. And so to get 60 inches from the very back up to the front, we just measured from right inside this weather stripping, 60 inches from here up to the front, and that's going to give you the mark of where your bed rail is going to go. We went 1.5 inches down from the trim ring to make sure that the bed panels sit flush from the bottom of the trim ring there, and we're 60 inches again from weather stripping up to the middle of the van to give you an 80 by 60 bed. So you have 2 bed panels that are mirror images of each other. The way you can differentiate between the two is where this triangular stop goes. This is what's going to prevent your mattress or your bed platform from sliding forward when you hit the brakes. Now, one of the important measurements is to make sure that your bed platform is going to sit flush with the bottom edge of the trim ring. So I'm going to take my tape and measure to make sure that the bed rail is 1.5 inches lower than the lower edge of the trim ring. So then when we put our bed platform on top, then we get a flush surface from trim ring to platform to trim ring. Here we're just marking our bolt holes so we can take the bed rail back off and drill our pilot holes for our bolts. All right, now it's time to bolt up our bed rail. We've got all our pilot holes drilled. Brian's ready to go with the drill.
And that's all there is to it. The bed panels fit right in. They're completely compatible with the flares and trim rings, and they're super sturdy. Again, remember the most important thing is that you get your measurements correct to make sure that your bed panels sit flush with the trim ring. Once you've marked and made your measurements, it's super simple install from there.
Here's a French fry.
And don't forget, after you've installed your bed panels, our mattress and sheets and bedding are the perfect complement to those. The mattress fits perfectly over the bed panels and fits the contour of the rear of the van, while the sheets fit perfectly over the mattress. They're fitted to fit that weird shape and the weird contour in the back of the van, so no more bunching up your regular rectangular sheets over this custom cut mattress. You want sheets that fit perfectly.